Hi friends, Vicki here with Dynamic Wellness. I'm working hard today at my desk, condensing my Basecamp program that I teach actually over a 6-week period of time to my clients, condensing it down into 5 short, say 15-minute little lessons that I'm calling your roadmap to vitality. And I'm teaching that next week live on Instagram, 12 noon. Join me for your lunch hour. I want to show you something real quick, something that will help you understand what we look at in terms of how the body either has vitality or doesn't have vitality. We have biodrainers here on the left and biochargers here on the right. Well, my left and right might be opposite for you. But basically, and we know that when we have a battery, it's charged up to the top versus when our battery is drained, we have fewer bars. And what this translates to biologically in our body is we move slower closer to death. And actually, we're all going to get there. We will all die someday, but it's how we get there. And I don't know about you, but I want to live the most vital life as possible. I'm 62. I'm feeling better than I did at 45 when I began my journey on living the lifestyle I live today. And that's what I want to teach to you. Very condensed crash course. I hope you join me live on Instagram. See you next week.